Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve some example problems based on section formula. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. Second question, in what ratio does the point -4, 6 divide the line segment joining the points A of -6, 10 and B of 3, -8? So let's solve this problem. Solution. To understand this problem, first we need to draw the line segment. This is the line segment A, B. Here the coordinates of the point A are -6, 10. And the coordinates of the point B are 3, -8. Here the point P divides the line segment A and B internally in the ratio m1:m2. Here they have given the coordinates of the point P, that is -4, 6. So now we have to calculate in what ratio does this point divides the line segment AB. That is, we have to find out the values of m1 and m2. Let -4, 6 divide AB internally in the ratio m1:m2. Now using the section formula, let us find out the values of m1 and m2. Section formula is given by P of x, y is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. The value of x, y is -4, 6. The value of x1, y1 is -6, 10. The value of x2, y2 is 3, -8. Here we have to calculate m1 and m2. Now let us substitute all these values in the section formula. That is, p of x comma y is nothing but minus 4 comma 6 is equal to m1 into x2, that is 3, plus m2 into x1, that is minus 6, divided by m1 plus m2. And m1 y2, m1 into y2 value is minus 8, plus m2 into y1 value is 10, divided by m1 plus m2. That is minus 4 comma 6 is equal to 3 into m1 is 3m1, plus into minus, minus 6 into m2 is 6m2, divided by m1 plus m2. m1 into minus 8 is minus 8m1, plus 10 into m2 is 10m2, divided by m1 plus m2. Here we have to recall that if x comma y is equal to a comma b, then this x will be equal to a and this y will be equal to b. In the same way, we have to equate this x and the x coordinate of the line segment AB. That is, minus 4 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2 divided by m1 plus m2. And this 6 will be equated to the y coordinate of the point of the line segment AB. That is, 6 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now let us solve this one. That is, now here we have to do cross multiplication. That is, minus 4 will be multiplied with this number and this 1 will be multiplied by this number. That is, minus 4 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2. Minus 4 into m1 is minus 4m1, plus into minus is minus 4 into m2, 4m2, which is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2. Now let us rearrange these terms. That is, minus 4m1. When we shift this minus 6 plus 3m1 to the left hand side, it will become minus 3m1, which is equal to minus 6m2. When we shift this minus 4m2 to the RHS, it will become plus 4m2. Now minus 4m1 minus 3m1 becomes minus 7m1, which is equal to minus 6m2 plus 4m2. It will become minus 2m2. Rearranging these terms, we get m1 divided by m2, which is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 7. Here minus minus get cancelled and the remaining answer is m1 divided by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. That is nothing but m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Now we have to verify this ratio satisfies this y coordinate also. Now we have to verify the ratio satisfies the y coordinate also. Here the y coordinate is 6 is equal to minus 8m1 plus 10m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Here let us substitute the values of m1 and m2 in the y coordinates. So 6 is equal to minus 8 into the value of m1 is 2 plus 10 into the value of m2 is 7 divided by m1 is 2 plus m2 is 7. That is 6 is equal to minus 8 into 2 is minus 16 plus 10 into 7 is 70 divided by 2 plus 7 is 9. So 6 is equal to 70 minus 16 is 54 divided by 9. That is 9 ones are 9 6 are. That is 6 is equal to 6. Here the ratio satisfies this y coordinate. Therefore now we have to write the conclusion. Therefore the point minus 4 comma 6 divides the line segment joining A and B internally in the ratio 2:7. Therefore the point minus 4 comma 6 divides the line segment joining the points A of minus 6 comma 10 and B of 3 comma minus 8 in the ratio 2:7. This is the answer.